Come on. Settle down. I've always struggled with mounting the camera on the lathe to show machining operations. This magnetic base, I've mounted it there, there, sometimes, but my index bracket's in the way. I've even mounted it there. And wherever you mount it, it always seems to be getting in the way of something else. But I think I've got it worked out. So every night for a week so far, I've been coming out here just staring at the problem. Like staring into space. One of the solutions is to put drawer runners there and mount a pole that will come out and drop down to wherever I needed it. And then I was going to mount this old tripod gearing to the pole, and that way I should be able to get fairly good angles. But look at the size of it. Not going to work. So I went back and I slept on it for another 3 or 4 days. So I'm on a walk. I'm walking the streets like an old hobo with mechanical designs floating through my head, thinking, how am I going to do this? And up ahead I saw this box and there was a glow coming from it. And as I got closer, I could see this item just sitting on top saying, Stevo, this is the solution to your problem. Pick me up, it said. So, of course, I picked it up. This is a really good movable arm. All the joints are pretty stiff. It's rock solid, made in Japan, and the light worked. I agonised for days whether to destroy it or not. But, alas, for the greater good, it had to be dismantled. At the end it swivels that way, and that swivels, focus, that way. All I've got to do is figure out how to put a camera mount on the end, and Bob's your uncle. What a feat of engineering. This was so difficult. I can clamp this just about anywhere, but for starters I thought, yeah, this is a good spot. This is my Ulanzi phone mount. It's a clever little device. You can put a microphone or a light on the top. And the bracket, that's my invention. This is my old phone. It's a Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Good little phone. I got a new one because the battery was getting a bit tired. Yeah, it's a bit weird filming.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm going to try a different angle to see how versatile this arm is. The great thing about this Huai is you can flip it around upside down and the footage still comes up the right way up, if you know what I mean. Now for the big reveal. I made 3 brackets, and this is why. Now I think I'll film some milling.
But wait, there's more.
This is an Optex tripod, semi-professional by the looks of it. Yeah, I picked it up at a garage sale for $10 and the old guy wanted 20. I still feel a bit bad about that. You know, I wonder if cats actually have any idea of the effort we go through to keep them alive. So this is my editing setup. Kitchen table, fire up the mic, sit here talking to myself. The neighbours have been looking at me a bit funny since I was doing the mini voiceovers, but you get that, don't you?